For some reason, I was going to type instead. I wasn't even gonna talk. Yeah, somebody came on as Lion of Cheese with all caps letters, just like my name usually is in caps. And I'm like, I'm like, who the hell is that? So I found it really interesting. Just seeing that, I'm like, oh, I guess I have a fan who also wants to be a lion. Just like maybe the Lion Gang, and there'll be a whole bunch of people with the name Lion next to it, and then something else on the side. Next thing you know, somebody's gonna name their profile Lion on Crack, Lion on Tacos, Lion on Bananas, Lion on Eats. I don't know. It's funny though. Of course, I'm here eating the rest of my dinner while turning on the stream. So. Hey, look in the crack. Did you play Microsoft earnings? Or did you get into SPY puts today? Because they definitely laid the smack down on everybody's bull candy asses, and I don't know. I was pretty much mentioning that yesterday. You know? So I'll be right back. My mic must have shut off. Great. Can everybody hear me now? How long have I not been talking for? And wait, no, hey. Anyways, oh, hey. Me the hell off. Oh my god. I'm going to throw this mic and the cable through the freaking window. Cause this is pretty much the third time this thing cuts off on me. Oh my god, man. I'm here trying to say hi to Zelly. I'm here like trying to give my message to everybody and to Tan for short that, you know, was able to come onto the stream for the first time. There goes Eric G. Can y'all hear me? Yes or no? What's the deal with everybody? Let me know. It's either that or I'm gonna have to like switch to my freaking webcam mic. Lord. Like 5 minutes? Christ. Yo, Johnny, drive home safe, man. Let us know when you get home safe and yeah. Alright, so Alright, so I don't know if you guys heard my question to you guys. As I see everybody coming onto the stream, onto the chat. Welcome everybody, welcome back. And oh God. And welcome to a crazy edition of this stream. Cause this mic is going to like but yeah, I think Tan already went back to, she's going to sleep now. So for you guys that missed it, Eric Tan for short came on to the stream for a little bit to say hi and to knock out. So, oh, there she is. She's still here. Oh my God. Zelly is forever like I don't know. I'm really starting to think that Zelly is a vampire. He's a vampire is for real. Definitely need a cup of Hedgie's blood. Oh my God. Alright, y'all. Yeah, right. God, alright. Be right back. Hold on. Is it me or is like what is going on? Is it the I want to say the live chat or I don't know. Are you guys like out of sync? Telling me the mic is good. Is the mic good? Let me know. So, all right. So you guys can hear me. That's great. Travis in the house. What's up? John Croissant says that you can hear me. Everybody can hear me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Everybody needs to be in sync. All right. Remember, you come here, and it says here, skip ahead to live broadcast. Make sure you click on that. And it goes right into real time, or maybe just a few seconds. You know what I mean. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another stream with yours truly, Lightnable Trades. And just to be quick about this, sorry. Make sure you show some love to the channel, to the stream. You already know what to do. Much love to everybody who is here right now. And you already know how it is. So just a reminder that anything that's being said on the stream is just strictly in our opinion, and none of this is financial advice. And that you are your own decision maker of your money and your investments, as long as you're trading safely. You know your limits and you know your risks. As long as you're making money, that's what truly matters. So, God, Zelly, I think you heard my vampire comment. So, giant hearts to you. And so if at any time I need to wake up, just know I might need a bite. 10 for short again. Thank you so much for taking the time to join the stream, to find that opportunity, and to stop by. And I know that you've been wanting to come to the stream for weeks, maybe a month even. So thank you, and you already know you're always welcome. The doors are open, and maybe you can just probably go to sleep extra early and wake up early and try to make it to this stream for one day. Because we'll all be here, and we'll be here chatting it up, and then you can join us. So much love to you, Tan, and I hope you have a wonderful night. Sleep well, and good luck tomorrow. Okay, the mic is still good. All right, I gotta check again, just to make sure. I gotta look back and make sure. Anytime, Tan. Thank you. All right, you already know what it is. I'll be there tomorrow too in the other stream, like I said. So, thank you, Tan. Giant hugs. Giant hugs. So we're already at let's see. We're already at 8:00 p.m. Eastern Time. So after market hours is closed. Just wanted to give a little recap of what happened in the last couple of minutes of the SPY. Well, actually, as a matter of fact, let me show you what happened to the SPY. We're gonna go to the 1 minute, and maybe I think I can replay it. Let me see something. Give me 1 second. Maybe I can be able to replay this right here, like maybe from this point. So let's see, how slow can we do this? Replay speed? A little no. Maybe like this? Let's see if this works. So I want you to see this action on SPY. The last what was this? The last couple of minutes of market hours. You got the SPY going crazy here. Of course, you know the usual last minute pumps before market close. And then all of a sudden here, as we approach the last minute of market close, and here comes the drop. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Boom. Let's pause it right there. Let's pause it right. Let's pause it right there. How crazy is that? How crazy was that action right there? You had yourself a freaking bull trap and a half for the SPY here. The last 10 minutes of market hours. Unbelievable. All right, and this here. Man, Anubis. I know you was paying attention to this. Oh yeah, I was loving this, but he was the reason why. But But mind you, this actually closed back to 542, so this drop didn't last too long. But this was due to the fact that, as you know, there's big tech earnings, and Microsoft had just announced their earnings release, and this was the reason why SPY dumped so hard. I'm going to show you the rest of the action in just a few seconds, but let's take a look at Microsoft here, shall we? Let's just look at Microsoft and see what happened here. Same exact thing happened here. Where is the drop? Here it is. So it was a miss. Microsoft had a miss in the earnings. This thing got socked down from 422.92 in the close to a low of 389.23. Teehee. All right. And here, Microsoft stock drops after slight miss in cloud growth. And Microsoft reported growth in its main cloud computing business that narrowly missed expectations, causing its stock to tumble during after-hours trading amid investor jitters over the outlook for the artificial intelligence boom. The tech giant's overall sales and profit growth beat expectations in the latest quarter, but revenue for its Azure cloud business, a central part of its AI operation, rose 29%, and that was below the prior quarter's 31% growth and lagged behind analysts' expectations it would rise by 30%. So they missed it by 1%, and that made a huge difference. Fishy, what's that? Everybody, what's that? What's it? Holy smokes, Batman. Holy, gee willikers. Oh my god. This thing just literally shat itself. And here we got a little crazy wick here at 413. I don't know what that was all about. But then eventually this did end up. Look at these wicks. Like what are we doing here? Crazy. Consolidated for the rest of the aftermarket hours, and then for some reason here at 6:02 p.m. just 2 hours ago, this thing actually came back up to 411, and then consolidated through there, and looks like it's slowly trying to recover back up. So I don't know if this was all just plan to just buy the dip and then see this come back up, just in the way that this looks right now. 5 minute. You know what this looks like? This looks like a freaking what does this look like to you? Looks like a Tyrannosaurus Rex with two legs here. I guess this was like a double top here created, and now it just looks like it wants to come back to 420 by tomorrow. As a matter of fact, wait, because Microsoft does trade in the 24-hour market in Robinhood, so that P&D was disgusting. Disgusting, I tell you. Let's just check real quick on how Microsoft is looking on the overnight trading hours. Real quick. Closed at 422.92. Microsoft here at 411. So it's still trying to hold up, and could it recover after the near miss that it had? Most likely it could just do that. We would also have to see what the SPY is doing too as well. So let's check the futures just to make sure. And it seems like, yeah, you know what? That's funny. It looks like it's making the same pattern you got the 2 legs here, and then you have a little pick me up here and want to just give me a leg up. So I mean, that's pretty much it right there. Look at that. See the similarities? Yeah. So if SPY recovers, I mean, I feel like perhaps Microsoft will recover afterwards. But this thing is actually, let me see what's going on here. What's up, Jason? Yo. How's everybody doing? Hey, make sure y'all show some love to the stream. You already know what to do. Damn, I got a lot of things going on here. Y'all can't see her because she has you blocked, Kevin. Ew. So right now it's stopping at 542.85, the SPY. So not only that, but the SQQQ, oh my gosh. And we were saying 950 since yesterday. Mind you, we were saying 950. This thing cracked 950 and even tried to go for 980 by the time market closed, and you saw that massive drop on the SPY, and you can see it right here. But then it ended up here, just kind of just slowly coming back down again, and actually retesting the 200-day simple moving average on a 5-minute chart. So who knows if this is a little bounce that it's about to take right now, and if the SPY is going to reject from here and start to come right back down, and maybe, just maybe, we'll have another sell-off, and in the midst of FOMC and the Federal Reserve interest rate decisions, who knows if that's going to make the SPY, the rest of the market, go down rest of the way, or go up back and perhaps maybe hit 550 again. I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? Let me know on the chat right now. And hopefully everybody's doing good here. I know John Croissant, if you're still here, talk about what on earth is happening with GTI. I have no idea. But these things, this is just looking cool. This is crazy right now. This is looking really crazy. No news whatsoever. There's just nothing that has come up yet. So, you know, we'll see what happens. Yeah, this is weird. Just all green candles. Imagine that. Sheesh. But anyways, so not only Microsoft, I mean, we did have Meta follow. I think Meta dropped with them. And what's funny, what's actually funny is how you already have bullish articles coming out here, but like, veteran investor boosts S&P 500 price targets. Magnificent 7 stocks will remain magnificent. Yeah, we're gonna go to 600 a share on the S&P 500 because they're magnificent. And God, this stock market is magnificent. Clark and Julie in the house. What's up, Clark and Julie? John Croissant, because I haven't been really up to date on what's happening with GTII, so if you guys know, let me know in the comments, in the chat. What have you heard so far? Because I need to know. Hold on. I know I'm all over the place, but I just noticed something. XRP is at almost 63 cents. And XLM is back over 10 cents. Wow. But anyways, we'll come back to that in just a few moments. To me, SPY is still, as I see it, trying to fill. Let's see, is it actually filling this gap here? But let's see. Clark here saying, ever since I started tuning into you, man, I just like listening to you. You're an awesome guy. I really appreciate you. Thank you. Right now I'm really sick what it feels like CV, but it's just nice listening to you. Hope you'll get Clark. Thank you. I hope that you feel better. You already know what, my positive energy, my vibes to you, Clark, and Julie. Hopefully she's doing well too as well. And feel better, man. Feel better for sure. And thank you for those comments, and I appreciate you still being a part of this. And much love to you, for real. So thank you. Wow. Remember, if it's a cold, cough, just go for the natural remedies. Go for your turmeric, ginger, your honey, lemon, whatever you got to get rid of that stuff, and hopefully you feel better. And just let us know and give us an update on how you're feeling later on this week. All right, so we're getting some updates here from John Croissant. He's saying GTII downgraded to the expert market. Now, I gotta admit, I really don't know quite well about the expert market, but we can definitely do some research as well. Damn, I like to say as well so much. I gotta really stop saying that too much. Be a habit, So let me just quickly look into it. Let's see. So okay, so I want to see this. So the expert market, let's read on this. We're doing our DD, we're doing our research here. We can definitely talk about those coins too as well. You're all listening in on the chat, so that's dope to see that. It's actually pretty cool to see XRP and XLM going up a bit. I don't know about XDC and HBAR, but let's see. But here, the state of change in the expert market. Let's see. Okay, so highlighted here, the expert market is a distinct market tier that allows broker dealers to trade securities with regulatory and other restrictions. All right. Regulatory is also known as serving or intended to regulate something. The existing legal and regulatory framework, for example. Regulatory charges in the stock market can include fees and taxes imposed by governments and other organizations to oversee the securities markets. Interesting. Here says that it has grown in response to recent amendments to SEC Rule 15C211. Under that rule, when companies fail to publish required current information, brokers may only publish unsolicited quotes, meaning quotes representing limited orders from investors who are not company affiliates, or insiders. Following changes to Rule 15c211 in September 2021, the expert market expanded to include thousands of these quote-unquote dark securities as an additional protection. Expert market quotes are distributed only to broker-dealers, institutions, and accredited investors. The expert market serves three vital regulatory purposes. First, it provides broker-dealers with an electronic market on which to meet their FINRA-mandated agency and best execution responsibilities in these securities. Second, by serving as a more restricted venue for broker-dealers to represent customer limit orders in securities that do not meet the pink current or pink limited requirements, it gives effect to the SEC's goal of encouraging public company disclosure. And third, by limiting quote distribution to professionals, such offers are not considered general solicitation under state and federal security laws. So that's crazy. And I'm pretty sure, John Croissant, if you're still here, have you been having any difficulties trying to buy GTII in any brokerage? Or are you completely restricted? Because I know there have been some that have not been able to buy through their brokerage, and I think it's just unbelievable and unreal what's happened, especially what's been happening to GTII. We got this at 4 cents here. You believe that? 4 cents. Going back and forth between 4 and 8 cents. But now that we see that John says here that there is a GTII trial for receivership on August 7th, so they're gonna have to wait until that date and see if something happens. From my understanding of what you're saying, so I guess for now things are really limited in terms of who can purchase this, and I have just read it on this website here, and like I said, that's crazy. Only brokers can do that, and for a range of investors, but not regular retail. That is crazy. That is crazy. Anyways, let me go on here and just catch up with you guys. And thank you for sharing that information, John. I really do. So, for some reason, and Juan Naranjo, thank you again for joining the stream. Good to see you as always, and for hanging out with us. And everybody hanging out with me right here in the stream. I appreciate it. Much love. XLM, XRP, XTC, HBAR, XTZ, the one that Jason had mentioned before. I think that was Tezos. Zelly, you're really sweet, and appreciate you sharing your healing vibes to Clark, and everybody else wishes the same too as well with Clark, to Clark and Julie as well. So, okay. So Kevin is saying that all of Cali has the CV. That is insane. That somebody just turned on the switch and all of a sudden, bam! Now they all have it again. Supposedly, apparently, allegedly, speculating. Hypothetically. Machachuchi, Army XRP. Clark, you're the best. Let's see, Johnny, I'm still holding, I believe it's 4,400 XRP coins. Sheesh. When the system crashes, we will profit. A whole bunch of margin calls will trigger massive short squeezes left and right. You can imagine. Zelly, you're not invisible. You're right here, visible as we can see. You matter. We love you. Your wrist hurts, Eric G. You gotta get one of those like mouse pads with a little extra cushion. If not, you're gonna have to ease it up on what you're doing with your wrist and stop those late nights. It's not good for you. Eric, that will make you go blind. See, Kevin didn't know exactly what I was talking about. That's right, Kevin. It's all about your wrist. Benjamin is back on the stream. Welcome back, Benjamin. How you doing? Good evening to you. And how is everything going on with you? And Ice Cube has copyrights. Ice Cubes. Oh my god. Well, let's start moving the music a little bit. But anyways, yeah, that was your little DD there. Again, here, just coming back to what happened to Microsoft here. They had earnings, crazy drop. They had wiped out about $100 billion in market cap in seconds. Can you believe that number? Just being wiped out. And on top of that, having that affect the SPY in such a big way, that is crazy. So that's oh, and also I wanted to show you Meta, because Meta apparently also got affected by that drop. Here we go to the 5 minute over here. You can see that drop, and then it's like they all followed the same algo. So I want to say, for example, Meta gone through the same thing. Look at that. Your feet. Use your feet for that? Damn, dude, you have skills. Dude, you must be that flexible to be able to do that with your feet. You can see it. It's all the same algos that just took place after the earnings drop. SPY, SPY doing it. What Apple's part of it. Okay, it didn't have much of that algorithm, but we see it there too as well. Did AMC and GME do the same exact thing? Let's look at it right now. Let's look at it right now. This is AMC. Okay, well, wow. So of course, barcoding once again during after hours. Make sure I'm talking on the mic. Go back to SPY. Okay, now GME. Wow, what is this? So GME, what is going on with GME? Do you guys know at all? And it says here, wow. So GME actually made it to a low of $22.01. And then it started to pop back up again. So yeah, it somewhat did follow the same algo as the SPY, because you could literally see the drop happen during a market close into after hours. So that's the same thing here, in a way, following the same algos. I really feel like this was all market driven. This was all market driven. You could clearly see it right there. I'm showing you the comparisons, which I'm sure a lot of people do. But I'm like literally just showing it right there, just a clear example that whatever the SPY was doing today, GME and AMC was following it kind of to the T. You got Apple, same thing. Somebody, oh, Mark says Tesla. We could check Tesla out. Where's Tesla? Oh no, Tesla was all the way into the top. Tesla, somewhat of a interesting trend here, but still, furthermore, the same thing. But not as much going on in the aftermarket, and it's actually climbing back up, which that would mean that it's actually recovering along with the rest of the market. Now Tesla, let's see, closed up at $24.95, $24.99, 224.40. So it's actually, it has come down from 225.45. So chances are there's some resistance happening here. We could see this come back down. I think that we would have to just wait and see what happens during FOMC meeting. What are they gonna do? Some people are saying that that interest rates are gonna be the same. They're gonna be the same. They're gonna leave it the way it is. They're not gonna probably cut until what, September? Jeez, Louise. Let me look at GME's price action right now in the aftermarket hours. Where did GME close? 2240, 2249, 2258, 2253. Yeah, so it did recover the same way too as well. So it's consolidating. Man, Eric, GME was obliterating you. Did you get like same weekly options, or because that is I'm telling you there wouldn't be a good reason to get weeklies unless there was some sort of catalyst going on. I would think that would be the case. I don't know what you guys think. Let's see. Wait, hold on. What? Wait. Oh, wait. Hold on. Wait. What? Did I just miss this? Like, am I seeing things here? Are you kidding me? No. How did I miss this? I didn't see this news until now. This came out last night. Andrew Left pleads not guilty to fraud charges. During the hearing, Magistrate Judge Rosella Oliver set a $4 million bond, with $1 million of it to be collateralized. Left was given until okay, hold on. This could be something. All right, I mean, I'm not stating dates will, eventually give us a confirmation of something to happen. But it's funny how it's actually taken place just a few days after AMC earnings. Just speculation here. Left was given until August 5th, which is, I believe, on a Monday. On a Monday? Yes, August 5th on a Monday, to come up with the $1 million. The prosecution argued that Left, who has assets worth over $70 million, including property abroad, was a flight risk. Left, whose trading activity has been restricted, is also prohibited from making financial transactions exceeding $100,000 without special permission, and his trial is scheduled for September 24th. These charges are part of a broader U.S. investigation into the relationship between hedge funds and skeptical researchers. Left's case is already being used by industry critics as an example of the need for increased scrutiny. I'm not going to read the rest because I'm pretty sure you already know what he was all about. Allegedly, supposedly, hypothetically. So, August 5th, he needs to come up with $1 million. Assets worth over $70 million. I wonder what he's going to do to come up with the $1 million. Will he close his position? What will he do? I don't know. But then again, you're saying federal court in Los Angeles doesn't mess around. I hope that's it. Let's see. It's funny how they set his limit to 100,000, and I do one pattern day trade, boo boo, and I have to beg. Oh no! Wait, did you actually get flagged, bro? Like, you're making 4 trades in one day? I try to prevent myself from doing that because I've done that a couple of times and I had to wait 90 days. What's funny is that I used to have Robinhood under a cash account. And then I switched it back to margin account because I wanted to do the extra trades. Goodness. Apparently there's one brokerage. I have to find out. Apparently there's no limit. There's no limit when you trade. I gotta know what that is. I did find that interesting though. But yeah, I guess we would have to give that date a special look and see what happens. So $4 million bond with $1 million of it to be collateralized. Given until August 5th. So that's going to be in a week. So next week. What do you think he would do in order to get that money? Would he get into his account and try to maybe let's see, he's also prohibited from making financial transactions exceeding $100,000. What would that entail? I'm just wondering. Okay, whatever. I still hope he gets it in the butt. It is what it is. Alright, what else is going on? What else is going on today, guys and gals? Finger up 5.45%. Okay. Then it got chopped back down here. Brought back over. What is this? Interesting. I need to change this. Hold on. No, for real. I mean, I really hope he gets it in the freaking ass. I hope that he gets it in the butt. Yeah. Maybe let's probably maybe hold on. Maybe hold on. Imagine that. August 5th on Monday. That would be funny. Anyway, let me see. Tomorrow Fed Talk, yep. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock in interest rate decision, and 2:30 you got Powell's opening his big caca mouth. Crowd tanked. Yeah. Disgustingly tanked. This is on a 24-hour chart. And the peak up here was like about almost $400. So imagine from 400 all the way down to 231, 232, 233. This drop here itself here took about a good 41% in 21 days. 41%. Can you believe that? That's crazy. That is insane. CrowdStrike, are you gonna come back here, or are we gonna actually come back down to 215? Which could be possible. I don't know. It looks like it's recovering slowly in a strange uptrend here, but I don't know. I really don't know. People are just still iffy about the whole thing with CrowdStrike and probably not consider investing into the company and see more downside, but yeah, definitely from that time there. Sheesh. Let's see. Powell, my opinion, no rate cut and should raise rates. Do you agree? Do you think that it would be better to raise rates? For sure. Why would you think that raising rates would make things a lot more better? I don't know. Inflation still sucks, and it's getting worse and worse. I think you can't call Jesse because Jesse's out of town. Pam, I saw on DZ stream. She comes out a little later. Kai I haven't seen in a couple of days, I think. Oh no, he was on the other stream too. You see something. You open this right here. What is going on? Oh, she's back home now. Okay, cool. Back home in Florida. Cool. U.S. benchmark equity indexes closed mixed Tuesday as the Federal Reserve kicked off its two-day monetary policy meeting with a decision on interest rates due Wednesday. Let's see. Markets widely expect that the central bank's Federal Open Market Committee will keep its benchmark lending rate unchanged Wednesday, according to the CME FedWatch tool. Investors will be focused on the Fomc's statement and Federal Chair Jerome Powell's press conference, quote, for any indication or lean towards a rate cut in September. Stifel said in a Tuesday note to clients, quote, July is too soon for a policy adjustment, and even with September back on the table, a very compelling case would have to be made in the July and August inflation data. Oh, really? Okay. Kaya's on another stream giving emojis? He's on another stream. Interesting. Where do you see him at? All right. That dude is a G. My G. 2265 on GameStop right now as we speak. So slowly but surely climbing up and hoping that GME actually comes back to 23 and above. AMD at 149.58 had a interesting beat in earnings here, and this thing rose real quick here from 138.44 to a high of 150.150. Oh, you're talking about no, in the early morning, Kai. Oh, yeah, that's true. Mods have that kind of access. Kevin, we see everything. What? Let's see. So yeah, correction to advanced micro devices. To second quarter profit surges article. Oh, Big JR. What up, my peep? What's good? Good evening. What up, Big JR? How do you like that drop? With Spy, dude? Shit was crazy. It was crazy, man. And then the earnings for Microsoft, and I'm here like, whoa, dude. I think this will probably continue to come up, maybe above $150 a share for AMD. Can you see? You know what I mean? I don't know. There was what's not good is Nvidia and the market's insanity. Insanity, my peeps. Oh my god, what is going on with XRP? What the bit? Hold on, is Bitcoin charging up right now? Let me see. Okay, I'm sorry, I need to look at this right now, real quick. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, it's having the same algorithms, but damn. XRP over 63 cents. XLM doing the same exact thing here, just almost 10.5 cents there. Interesting. Speaking of you, Big JR, CJYL down to negative 2.74%. So this actually fell down back under $3. This thing is still looking pretty tight here. I'm wondering like what's next. But just looking at the way the 24-hour looks, it looks like it's on a bearish divergence here. You got the sell signal here just coming right up here, and then everything else is just coming right below, and right below the 50-day simple moving average on the daily. So most of this actually will come back down to like maybe 250 if it continues. That could be the possibility there. Yeah, for real. Sheesh. Fishy's filling in for Kai with the flames. He's making things hot and spicy. So shoot. Yeah, dude. Do you actually see this? Like even on the 4-hour, this looks a bit ugly. And for some reason here, there's a earnings. What is this? Earnings was apparently supposed to be on Friday, July 26th, for the period ending March 24. I mean 2024. What is up with this? That's weird. Doesn't tell you when the next earnings is. Still bubbling. It's still bubbling to you, like it's gonna start bubbling and make some mess and probably start coming back up. Maybe around 275. Mark R is finally at work. Alright, brother. Peace, happiness, love, and etc. Talk soon. Peace. Same to you, bro. And have a good night at work. And be safe when going back home. You already know. I appreciate you. Thank you, and much love. So yeah. They released earnings and they were good again. But then I don't know. They didn't really post it on TradingView, and they didn't really release any news here too as well, unless they did in another brokerage, because I didn't see anything. All right, take care, Mark. Plus we got a death cross here, so we'll probably expect this to try to establish a bottom somewhere around like 275. So maybe this can start rebounding soon, because I feel like, this is just a little hiccup here, and maybe we can start to hit this area here. Wait, why does it do that? I wonder why. Okay, maybe here. Maybe somewhere there. So from 275 to 3. I'm gonna have to look around that range for sure. Uh-oh, I'm slowing down. What is going on with me? Oh, look at that. We got GameStop here just trying to curl up a little bit more. Up 29 cents here at 22.70. Just know that that GME had closed again at around 22.40, and it closed at around 22.58. So it's slowly trying to inch in just a little tiny bit, and hopefully we can break over $23. I wonder. I just wonder what effect will the interest rate decision do for the markets, and what will happen to, let's say, for example, the Russell 2000. That's something that I'm actually curious about. Let me actually look up something right now. BTFP. To look up this right now. Okay, so this is something that I've just noticed, and I also looked at this post by Butcher of Wall Street, Marcel, and so apparently here, posted by the Coastal Journal, the BTFP, also known as the Bank Term Funding Program, which is created to support American businesses and households by making additional funding available to eligible depository. Well, pretty much a program designed to support American depositors by making additional funding available to banking institutions. And a program that would provide loans against the par value of the security. Hence, the current market value of the security will become irrelevant while making loans. And let's see. Then we have these banks here. This was back in May 5th, and let's see, regional banks, small banks. Hey yo, Adrian. Hey yo, please, let's tell you something right now. Let's see, 19 banks, including PacWest Bancorp, East West Bancorp, Glacier Bancorp, loaded with $32.6 billion from the Federal Reserve's new Bank Term Funding Program that offered liquidity. This facility helps banks meet with withdrawals even as they sit on losses on their investments. The U.S. set up the BTFP following a number of high-profile bank failures to help regional banks access cash without resorting to asset fire sales. And it says here, for some, the program helped bolster liquidity after deposit runoffs in the first quarter, while others use it to boost liquidity in cases they need the cash in the future or to pay down higher cost borrowings. So that's just a quick example of what has been happening there. Alright, so as a recent here released today, the BTFP is currently being drained as banks have to pay back their loans. And this is now draining liquidity out of the markets. You see why there's huge sell-offs happening left and right? So here is what it means going forward and why the bank stocks have not fully crashed yet. Remember, this is not financial advice, this is just speculation, but the data is showing otherwise, so keep an eye on this. But again, he also puts here the term Bank Term Funding Program, which allows banks to borrow against bonds at the par value rather than current market value, making their balance sheets appear stronger. And here's how it works. And banks can use high quality securities like US Treasuries as collateral for loans from the Federal Reserve, even if these securities have lost value due to rising interest rates. You can see this right here. Number 2, the Fed values these securities at par, allowing banks to borrow more than if the securities were valued at market prices. 3, this helps banks avoid selling securities at a loss, which would hurt their balance sheets and regulatory capital ratios. 4, by borrowing at par value, banks maintain liquidity without realizing losses on their securities portfolios. and 5. However, this doesn't change the fact that these securities have unrealized losses, only temporarily supporting bank liquidity and stability. You heard? So he says on here that while this can help maintain short-term financial stability, it means that the reported financial position of some banks may not fully reflect the current market value of their assets. Alright. So, let's see. And just go back here. So what Boss is claiming here and speculating that there is currently a Lehman Brothers repeat happening and the majority of Americans are completely oblivious. The BTFP is quickly draining huge amounts of liquidity from the financial sector as banks repay their loans. They have stopped issuing new loans on March 11th, and all banks must repay their loans within 12 months of the loan inception date. Many loans were made in the months prior to March. I'm not going to read this whole thing, but just think about that. It's crazy, right? So think about the banks. The list of those banks that were also listed, like Eagle Bancorp, Western Alliance Bancorp, with a BTFP balance of 1.3 million. So yeah, you can imagine that. And I do watch these banks too as well, in case, just for, you know, also as an example, you got New York Community Bancorp, which was pretty much a great example of a bank that was involved in that, and also commercial real estate loans, and you know, based in New York, where you know that New York has a lot of open buildings. I mean, like office spaces that haven't been rented out. It's been empty for a long time. So it's pretty crazy. So I feel like that's something that we need to watch as well. So I think we're gonna have to look for those lists of banks, small regional banks. And in terms of this whole thing happening, I'm pretty sure Western Alliance, maybe Valley, I don't know. Let's see, do I have this here? I do. Western Alliance Bank Corporation here, and ever since, look at the trend here. They also had beaten earnings here July 18th. So this thing is actually growing. And mind you, this was back in March of 2023. This was at a price of almost $7 here. Do you believe that? $7, and now this bank is worth $80 a share. It's a regional bank. It's crazy. What do we got? Western Alliance Bancorp operating chief Booth gets new title. 6 days ago, sells shares. That's the usual. Damn. So I'm just wondering. I gotta look into that. I look into Valley, NYCB, and others. So, what else is going on? Were you guys talking about the new Deadpool movie? Let me catch up with you guys and see what you're saying. What's going on? What's going on in the chat? Edgar, has earnings posted. Edgar. Who's Edgar? Is Edgar a stock? TP I haven't seen, but he has been. He's been on and off on the Discord. So shout out to TP. What else? What else? Huh? Oh, okay. What is that, Big G? Aquí no más. Mullen? You're talking about Mullen? Oh, what the what the hell? Wait. How did I miss this? We were just talking about. Wait. Mullen, now you're finally getting to pop, or what is this? That's so random. This thing hit a low of like 109. Now all of a sudden it's like been trying to pop. It actually popped during market hours. Wow, so from $1.10 to a high of 139, closing at 135, up 20%. That's actually pretty interesting. Why is that happening? Oh, it looks like it's kind of wanting to come back down again. A little P&D there. There's no... Well, the only thing that says here, stock flirts with $1 as Mullen files to resell up to 85 million shares. Damn. Yeah, there's not much going on with that, but that's crazy to see. Mullen at up 20%. Could be a start of something, I don't know. Yeah, they're really trying not to get delisted. I feel like they've already had so many reverse stock splits done. I don't know if NASDAQ would even allow a fourth reverse stock split. I don't know what that would do. You're just making the market cap a lot smaller. No, the flow. But I think, and this is just my opinion, but as soon as he even thinks about mentioning reverse stock split, I think that would be the end of Mullen as you know it. For real, like that is just makes no sense. What are we doing here? Where's the receipts? Where's the sales? Like what is there positive that's happening? I mean, is there something going on behind doors that I don't know about? Like what? It's my opinion, but Jesus, like at one point after the reverse stock split, it had gone up to like a high of like $12, $13. Can't remember. Let me go back. Where was this at? Look how much I have to scroll because of how deep this thing is. Look at that. Oh my god, look how much I had to actually stretch this out. Look at that. This only went up on like barely $8 and then came all the way back down to $1. Jeez. Yeah, not looking at that. SOS. I think did you mention this yesterday, Fishy, about SOS? I think you did. What is this? What is the story on SOS mining company here? Damn, looks like you got a. It's definitely chopped up there. It's a beat up penis right there. Is the worst name for a stock, but we'll check it out. Thanks, Fishy. Damn, I've heard of SOS for a long time. I have more faith in Lucid than Mullen. Not financial advice. Don't mess with the PIF. I would have to concur with that. I agree. I agree with that. For real. And mind you, Lucid closed up at $3.47. SOS here. What are you doing here? Just flirting with the 50-day simple moving average. Like, you do not want to break over it. I don't know what's up with that. You zoom out a little bit more. You already have a break below and turning red here. Maybe a possible bearish divergence here. RSI wants to RSI wants to break down to ADX. Kind of neutral there. It's on a standby. But oh my god, like what is this? Let's see, let me go to the 24-hour. Volume has been the quietest for such a long time, I'm guessing here. 30.17 thousand shares traded today for SOS. An average of 125.66 thousand. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you, Zelly. Thank you, Fishy. Thank you, Eric. It's beat down like a red-headed stepchild. Thank you, Johnny. Lion, draw a triangle. I like triangles. Okay, let's do okay, let's do that. Let's go ahead and draw the triangle for thank you, Zoe, for posting the link to my Twitter and all the other links too as well. Lion, wipe that goop off the screen now. Bless you. Thank you. I made sure to like look down when I did it. I don't want to mess up my poor screen with my all boogers and mocos and stuff like that. So you guys ready for a triangle? I am ready for a triangle. This definitely looks like it could get beat down some more though, honestly. And there hasn't been any type of release in news since May 15. So I don't know. I don't know about this, my friend. I don't know. Is there anything going on with SOS, or has it been calling for help and sending SOS because it's so low right now? And mind you, SOS used to be popping before. You can see that, you know, as I pretty much here expand the chart here. You had this at $7 at one point, at like $9.57, $8.50. But let me, you know what? Speaking of Lucid, let's take a look at Lucid, and let me show you. Let me just show you. I mean, this has been pretty much. Oh, actually, wow. There is earnings on August 5th. Okay. And as you can see here, it looks like Lucid has been hanging around above the 200-day simple moving average. What are you trying to do, Lucid? What are you saying right now? Are you wanting to say something right now? What is this? No, that triangle doesn't look right. I think I'm gonna have to go to the 4-hour instead. What is this? Or this could be a channel. Let me see, like that. Nah, that's not working. Can go back in time. Look at that. It's crazy. Let me see. The hell? Good news. Options traders signal potential turnaround for Lucid stock. Why are you mentioning about that? What the hell? SOS Limited is, I think it's supposed to be a crypto miner. But I think it's based in China, if I'm not mistaken. Is that right, Fishy? I think it's based in China. China. What should we know about this? What is going on? As a matter of fact, let's look at the analyst targets. Maybe they have something here. Neutral. Damn, what the hell? That's interesting. Look, they have one analyst saying buy. You got 10 analysts saying hold. And you have 4 analysts saying a strong sell. Like, they think it's craptastic. Craptastic. They see this going down to a minimum of $1.75, an average of $3.02, and a max at $4. Gosh. Let's see. They stated dropping when China criminalized crypto mining. Damn. So, isn't that a bearish sign there? And thank you, Zelly, for that information. We kind of clicked too because we both said China. Clickety click. Click. Let's go ahead and let's see what's going on. So if they criminalize crypto mining, I feel like I don't think it would be worth. I think it's better to just like try to get into the other miners, in my opinion. Clean Spark, you got Clean Spark, you got Mara. Mara looks like it wants to like. Johnny, yes, see you tomorrow morning, dude. I really hope so, but I wouldn't really count on it. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like we need to wait until interest rate decision is over after 2 p.m. and then we'll see what happens with the rest of the market. Other than the fact that I do want to see some green too as well, and for AMC and GME to freaking squeeze already because I'm tired. I want to win. Freaking win, man. I want us to win again already. Oh my gosh. Spaghetti. Restore. Oh, that's what I was doing. Okay, got it. Oh, okay, here we go. Mara could bounce. Hey, I like that. What about? Let me see. Okay, I need to switch. I need to switch chart layouts right now. Need to change this right now. I need to show you right now what the heck I mean right now. Hold on. Hold on. Where are these lines coming from? I'm not drawing these levels, bro. What the hell? Damn, this is on the 2-week. Yo, even on the 2-week, Lucid looks pretty hot on the Elliott wave. And we got a little bit of like a pennant here forming on the RSI. had a bull signal here. So what about that? Weekly too. Daily. Okay, maybe, you know what? Damn, this doesn't look too bad. This doesn't look too bad at all. So here's a triangle here, Big JR. Triangle, and then you got another triangle right here. Bam. Hold on. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Two triangles right there. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Right? What the hell happened here? Oh, after hours, it actually just fell a little tiny bit, but it'll make no difference. It's fine. What's the next level here? Let me see. I think it has a gap to fill here to like 358, 360. Is there any other gap fills here, or is that it? Let me see. Maybe you could find some gap fills here. Some help. Need some help. Does this have anything to do with the Diddy situation? No. Definitely doesn't. Have you been seeing a shot load of Lucids and Rivians? Then I think there's that could be a sign of bullish things to come for those companies, in my opinion. Pamela, la 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 la. Pamela, la 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 la. Welcome back to the stream. How you doing? What's going on, my friend? I'm here doing stocks review for Lucid, and come to find out that Lucid looking very good here, and showing how many times it looked like it wanted to break down, but you know something, it looks like it definitely failed to come back down, because this thing bounced 3 times and established a bottom. Now we come up all the way. We break here from a good amount here, 250, coming up to almost 440. Very good, very nice. Yes. So what I'm trying to find out here is Lucid is gonna break again over 350, and then come back to $4. It would be maybe another break at the resistance, or maybe, just maybe, it could start to come up to maybe the resistance of 440 and come doing crazy things after earnings next Monday. Okay, Chris Wilson in the chat. Flame it up, my friend. Flame it up. Do you know what's going on with the stock right now? I tell you right now. Okay, I tell you what's going on with the stock. I do know something. I think very good about the stock. Okay, it's gonna break out eventually. And when you see the short inches on Lucid, you're gonna be like, oh my god, man, Lucid is gonna be a piece of a company, because let me tell you, I like the way Lucid looks. I like the way it drives. I think it's gonna beat Tesla. A long way to go. But look at it, man. You got a lot of things to do. The battery, solid state drive, and all that stuff, man. You know, they got better technology, man. I think Tesla got a pickup right now. You know what I'm saying? Coño, man, like, can't believe it. Let's take a look at Lucid. Let's take a look at what's going on in the short interest right now. Okay, That's a big number right there. You know, I wish I had a lot of money with those many numbers, and the amount of shares they got here. Short interest. Do you wanna hear? 237,497,682 shares. Short interest. Okay. Then they got short interest ratio of about 8.14 days to cover. And then you got short interest percentage float of about 26.82%. Alright, that's gotta be a high number right there. Okay? Alright guys, okay, excuse me. Alright. Even though there is about 8,600,000 short shares available, you gotta hear 12.70 cost to borrow fee. It's not quite the highest here, but you know, it's hanging in there. You know, quite good. But I feel like I see a future with Lucid. Quite extraordinary. Very great. Do you want to hear? So that's massive. That's a massive amount of shares, short interest. If I say, compared to, let's say, quickly, do you want to build a snowman? Short interest for AMC, you got 53,744,937 shares. Short interest ratio did actually come up a little bit, I think, from 2.65 days to cover to now 2.95 days to cover. Short interest percentage of the float is still 14.65%. Now, you've seen that they had 1,200,000 shares, short shares available. Now it's been dropped to 700,000 shares as of 22 minutes ago. And if we just notice, I actually am just looking at this right now. It had came back up to a max of 4% cost to borrow fees. So now it's back down to 3.63%. So it's still hanging in there. It's actually climbing a little bit. But I would rather see AMC's cost to borrow back at the triple digits, because, you know, once you see that, shorts are in trouble, in my opinion. Real in big trouble. Compare that to GME. We'll take a look at GME real quick. All right. And we got a short interest of 40,344,382 shares, with a short interest ratio higher than that of AMC with 5.42 days to cover, and a short interest percentage of the float lower than AMC's at 12.88%. You have now from 3 million as of 12 hours ago, now dropped back down to 2.4 million short shares available. Only 0.41% cost of borrow fees for tomorrow. Isn't that something? GameStop is still trying to recover from the low of $22.01 as of 4:15 in the afternoon after market close, because of the SPY and the rest of the market taking a big dip after Microsoft earnings. But let's take a look real quick at those two stocks here, because I need to show you. As a matter of fact, let me use the ultimate combo right here. Kai in the chat, we were just talking about you earlier. Kai Supreme, how delightful to see you here. Flame on. How's your evening been? Good evening to you. How you doing? Let us know what's going on with you. Kai Supreme in the house, everybody. Kai Supreme. Flaming it. Salute. Now let's take a look at this back again. And I'm gonna actually, hold on, I need to delete this bars pattern. I don't know what I was doing with this bars pattern. I was probably making up my own fantasy here and maybe wanting to see AMC squeeze before this week is over. But what are the odds of that, right? So from what we saw, okay? Here's the thing, okay? Now, there was a moment where let me go to, for example, the 5 minute. I think we'll go to the 5 minute. He only speaks flames. I've seen him speak a couple of things here and there before, so I've noticed he's more open here than he's actually open somewhere else. So that has to mean something special. But what I was gonna come up here and tell you guys was that I felt like, you know, because I had this channel, this upward channel here going, that it would actually start to follow in ways that maybe, just maybe, it would kind of take another bounce from here and start moving back up to 530 and above, which I would think that would have been the case before this week is over. We're already at Wednesday tomorrow, and I was really optimistic to see this at least come to fruition and follow this channel and think, damn, maybe, just maybe, we can just hang in there. But you know what? I find it interesting because here we were just literally hanging on to that trend line. So I feel like it still needs to break over 520. And before this week is over, on the weekly, we actually need the weekly candle to break over 520, but also break over, let's see, we have a little thing here. What is this? Is that a big wick? What is this? Hold on. That is a long wick. Holy crap. This thing went up to like 576. Jeez. Hold on. Maybe? I don't know. Oh, shoot. Wait, what did that... Oh, that actually moved. I don't remember this. Well, that's funny. But yeah, I feel like on the weekly chart, at least over... Damn, okay, hold on. Okay, so it opened at 525, so it has to break over 525 and continue pushing up over 535 in order for this candle to turn back green. We need this weekly candle to turn green before this week is over. And if that can happen, I want to say safely that this could have the chance of beating back to 550 and above. If not this week, next week. And also, you know what? I keep forgetting. Earnings is this Friday. So that could change a lot. So you have Wednesday, you have the interest rate decision on Wednesday, and then you have earnings on Friday. Could it make a difference? I want to hope so. I would think so. And I would like for this to finally happen. For real. Let me hide these drawings right now and show you what the trend is looking like. Incognito Pest Management. Oh shoot. I haven't seen you on stream for a little time, but good to see you here. What's poppin', man? I'm sure you've been having a busy time, but let's see. I don't think Lion was there that day that you said that on DZ's. I laughed so hard. Wait, what did he say? Wait, what did he say exactly? I think I missed that. He's kicking it, bro. He's kicking it. All right. And just running around. I don't. Yeah, I don't. It's I'm just, I'm doing what I can to, spread information and based on my hypothetical TA and things like that. Shoot, I even have a Discord and I have people joining in there, and all we're doing is just chatting it up. We're sharing different types of information, type of source. I got news coming in here from different tweets, and yeah, I'm starting it off, and so by all means, if you want to join in, I definitely got you listed here. So yeah, Carissa, thank you for joining the stream for the first time. Welcome, Carissa, everybody, onto the stream. And thank you for that comment. And you're a real one too as well, so thank you. Yeah, I don't, it's like, yeah, there's people that tend to want to just have people spend a good amount of money, and it's like, I don't know, I just don't really have it in the heart to do that. But eventually when I get to a certain amount of subs, I would only look forward to ad revenue, and that's it. I don't need to ask for anything else, right? That is up to you guys to make that decision, honestly, all right? But I'm not asking for anything. I'm just here because I wanted to turn this into something fun, something informative, educational, but entertaining at the same time, and to be able to conversate with you guys all together. It doesn't even have to be about stocks. It could be about something random too as well. And that's it, just all about the vibe. So yeah, so feel free to talk amongst yourselves. And at the same time, just, being able to, find out what's happening with our beloved meme stocks and whatever's happening. I don't know, Carissa, if you're in AMC, GME, let us know. Share your experience. Let me know. Yes, Incognito. Had a great time on the Discord yesterday morning with Line. Yeah, had a good time with you too as well. Just chatting it up here. Just going crazy, like trying to see what Just trying to see what the SPY was up to. Crazy swings here. I don't know. Today especially, the SPY was really nerve wracking. Can't even say the word. Nerve wracking and stressful to trade, but at the same time, it was rewarding. So I'm really happy about that. But yeah, just looking forward to what's to happen during interest rates decision at 2:00 p.m. Eastern Time. And Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell opening his gaga mouth and see what he has to say about it. Whether he's hawkish or dovish, we got to see what the markets are gonna do. So let's see. So, crypto. I appreciate you, Incognito. Thank you. Pamela is like with the emojis. It's crying. That crying emoji looks like a candy. I don't know why. Okay, so just long term crypto. Oh, you couldn't touch it today, unfortunately. Got it. He was busy. He was busy with work, or let's see. I couldn't. Okay, I'm not. I used to be in AMC, but sold off at the high. I love SPY, Tesla, Nvidia options. Okay. Yeah, I think a lot of people are definitely leaning towards September for the rate cuts. For some reason, I think somebody said that. I think it was Mark R. In his opinion, I feel like he wants to see the rates actually rise once again, which that would be something rare to happen. And if that happens, holy cow! Like, what kind of effect will that actually have with the market? Which actually, I'm curious. So let's kind of like, I'm curious. I need to ask the question to ChatGPT, and let me see. How do we do this? Finally, a triangle has come back. Pamela likes cannabis. Gotcha. What kind of cannabis are you dealing with tonight? Do you have blueberry? Do you have sour? Do you have what kind of strain do you work with? All right. So how do we ask? We just message ChatGPT and just ask a question. What? Let's see. What if what if I'm just curious. I don't know. I don't really mess with ChatGPT like that, but I just wanted to see what would happen. Okay. So, all right. So if the Federal Reserve, this is based on ChatGPT's speculation here. I don't know. We're just seeing what it says. So if the Federal Reserve decides to raise interest rates, it can have several effects on the stock market, which means higher borrowing costs, which means increased interest rates make borrowing more expensive for companies. And this can lead to reduced capital expenditures and slower business growth, which might negatively impact corporate earnings and consequently stock prices. So that means a raise in interest rates means a big dump in the markets, a train wreck, as you saw Fishy Friends just say. I'm sure he's talking about something else, but I feel like we'll see a train wreck happen. if that even were to occur tomorrow, which I doubt. It says here increased discount rates. So investors use interest rates to discount future cash flows when valuing stocks. Higher rates mean higher discount rates, which can lower the present value of future earnings and thus lead to a decrease in stock prices. A shift in investment. So higher interest rates can make bonds and other fixed income investments more attractive compared to stocks. As a result, investors might move money out of stocks and into these alternatives, putting downward pressure on stock prices. Consumer spending. Higher rates can also impact consumer spending. So when borrowing costs are higher, consumers might reduce spending, which can affect the revenue and profitability of companies, further impacting stock prices. And economic growth. The Fed typically raises rates to combat inflation or to cool an overheating economy. If the rate hike is seen as a signal of a strong economy, it might have a limited or even positive impact on stocks. However, if it's seen as a measure to counteract high inflation or economic imbalances, it could create uncertainty and volatility in the markets. So the overall impact on the stock market depends on the context in which the rate hike occurs, including the current economic conditions, investor sentiment, and the pace and magnitude of rate increases. Thank you, ChatGPT, for that. Appreciate you answering that question. Hopefully that gives you some insight of what would happen if that was the case tomorrow. So we'll just have to see. That's pretty cool. I think I'm going to start using that a little bit more and see what happens. So you guys are saying XRP 64 cents. Okay, what is going on? Okay, is Carissa still here? Carissa, you said you're not into crypto. So you know XRP, you know X-Force, XRP, XLM, XTC. We've been talking about that for a while. I've even thought about getting into it myself, in my opinion, just to see how things go. You guys are certainly high on that. 66,100 right now currently for Bitcoin right now. But as we can see here on the 4-hour chart, it has been trading above the 50-day simple moving average. And let me just take that out and expand this. And you can see here what you call the EMA Ripster cloud, which I believe it consists of between the 8 to 12 day period EMA. I might be wrong about that, maybe a little off, but something like that. You see it expanding like that, and especially as it's under the 50-day simple moving average, which is the yellow line here. This is considered something bearish, possibly more bearish divergence if Bitcoin can't hold above these levels, especially above 66,900, 67K, let's just put it that way. All right, so that's what I'm seeing, even on the MACD too as well. Here, slowly trying to kind of pick up. But on the ADX, this is cool. I didn't even know I could do this, so I can actually zoom in on that. But the trend is still, oh, what the hell just happened? There you go. So the ADX is still strong in the red. The trend is still bearish. So that's what we are seeing currently. But as long as this actually stays up and it continues to trend up along with this this here, it's still going to remain strong, and it's still going to have more bearish movements. And the opposite is, of course, if this continues to go down while the green line here tends to move back up, that means we would see this pushback. We will see Bitcoin push back over 67,000. I've been using this indicator for a while now. I'm actually starting to get used to it, so it's quite good right now so far. I'm just getting in the hang of it. Let me just move back here. Hold on. Well, no, I'm drawing right now. Sorry. Just back here. There you go. I'm missing out on what you guys are saying right now. There you go. Let's look at the hourly and see what's going on here. Now the hourly looks like it's slowly starting to creep in. The 50-day simple moving average looks to be meeting up with the 200 in about maybe a couple of hours. If this trend continues, we could see a death cross here and more bearish divergence. I do have here, just being hypothetical, but I do have here the last area of support, which was at around 63,400, around that range. So if this occurs, we could see definitely more downside for Bitcoin as it approaches those lows, in my opinion. Let's see. Line, you were supposed to read the message about the triangle like the rock. Oh shoot. Let me see something. How can I do that? Wait. Alright. Alright. Listen up, you jabronis. I want to show you exactly. I can't do it. I'm going to show you exactly what the rock is cooking. And I'm going to draw for you on the chart the triangle, the people's triangle. If you smell what the rock is cooking, jabroni, slate to smack down your candy ass and show you exactly what's going on, right? So let me see. Go to. Oh, wait a minute. Let me just go back here. Let me take this out. Oh, you see? Look at that. And that was actually, I believe that was actually, if I'm not mistaken, the last. I think that was yeah, here we go. I did have a trend line over here, a level right around 50,000. Finally, the rock has come back to wherever you are. I actually do as well. I want to do that so bad. I just feel like once everything is settled and we see all these squeezes happen and whatnot, and we bank on it, I'm really thinking of going back into divvies. You know, I know for a fact, there's ETF stocks like Schwab. We got Say Word. We got SCHD. We got what is it? JEPI. I don't know. If you guys have some favorite ETFs or dividend stocks that you think you would actually like to get into, I was looking at O as well, Realty Income, but I feel like waiting a little bit more until it actually drops. Thank you, Zelly. I just drank water right now. I appreciate it. Thank you, Zelly. Let's see. But right here in the daily, as a matter of fact, and this is what I showed here too as well. You can definitely see here. All right, I've shown this before in the past so many times where Bitcoin had tried to break over past 73, 75,000. Look at that. You got three, specific time frames here that just couldn't do it. It couldn't do it. It's not doing it. I think, my opinion, and I feel like I do have to agree with Carissa too as well with the whole, was it 48 to, she said it, 48K to 52K. I also said 50K around there, so somewhere around that area I feel like it would have to come back down. I do want to see, honestly, Bitcoin kind of drop a lot more than that. I don't know why. I just feel like maybe it should go below 40,000, which it could happen. I mean, you never know. You never know. Let's see. I have ETHE got paid big thanks to Howard. ETHE? I gotta look at that. XRP apparently still going. Oh my god. Alright, let's see. Wow. Did we just not talk about this yesterday? Did we say something about a leg up happening? I could have sworn. Wow. What's happening? Is there any type of news going on right now? Let's just check out. Let's just check here. All right. Let's just go to XRP. Yeah. Last time all three oscillators had bullish cross, XRP 600 times in 1 year. Wow, that is in a 1 month. The monthly. Oh? Okay, so listen to this. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, that's breaking. Okay. Let's see. 5 hours ago, Ripple betting big on Brazil. we're all just thinking about this and we're like, what the hell is going on? So here we go, doing DD together and just looking at the news as of 5 hours ago. San Francisco-based blockchain company Ripple recently announced a new tie-up with Finisback in order to promote fintech opportunities in Brazil with the help of the Next Accelerator program. Notably, Ripple picked Brazil as its first company for targeted investment. The company has pointed to the country's crypto-friendly regulatory environment as well as a strong community of developers as the main reason behind such a decision. Next is the largest startup acceleration program in the financial sector in Brazil. Some of the startups that are sponsored by Next include Amfi, LoopyPay, and Liber. Let's see. Ripple has already identified 2 fintech startups that is going to support. So naturally, the company targets those companies that are seeking to utilize the XRP ledger. Ripple has long had a strong presence in Brazil. And let me just add right now that Brazil is part of the BRICS. Is that correct? What if I put I wonder. I'm confused. Let's see. So let's do a little bit of digging in ChatGPT. I can't believe I'm actually using ChatGPT. But whatever. All right. So cryptocurrency adoption in Brazil, as you know, a growing interest. Brazil has seen increasing interest in cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. And the country has a growing number of crypto investors and businesses accepting cryptocurrencies and regulatory framework. Brazil has been working on creating a regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies, and this includes measures to ensure transparency, prevent money laundering, and protect investors. XRP in Brazil, so the Ripple's row, XRP being the native cryptocurrency of Ripple Labs, as you know, which provides a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange, listen to that, and remittance network. So Ripple has been actively seeking partnerships and expanding its presence in various markets, including Brazil. Then you got banking, financial institutions. See, there you go, recent developments. So yeah, Brazil's regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies is evolving. Let's see, Brazilian government and financial authorities have been working on frameworks to better integrate and regulate digital assets, which could impact how XRP and other current cryptocurrencies are used and traded. Whew. 65 cents right now. Wow. Okay. Why am I not on this? Why? Darn it. Okay, so Ripple has had a strong presence in Brazil, and as reported by You Today, it set up a separate branch in the country that served as a springboard for its expansion in Latin America in 2019. In 2022, the company had also announced the launch of a new on-demand liquidity corridor, which was introduced in partnership with TRADEZ. In April, Ripple President Monica Long spoke about how crypto has affected the financial landscape in Latin America. Back in May, Ripple also announced a $100,000 donation to the victims of the Brazil floods. That's big. And then that regulatory framework that we just talked about too before, and that the central bank in Brazil announcing that it would be able to introduce a comprehensive regulatory framework for digital assets later in this year. So, big news. And XRP now up almost 4%. Unbelievable. Look at that. Nice trend here on the... Oof! That's on the hourly and had a nice golden cross. Nice little golden cross here taking place right there as of around 10 a.m. So that's pretty cool there. That's how you know that there is a strong trend happening with XRP. Somewhat a little bit overbought right now, but doesn't matter because this news apparently is making this go. 15-minute chart looks pretty good too, I gotta say. Honestly, look at the MACD here, looking like a nice trend. RSI, forget about it, that thing is going up. And the ADX, the trend here is strong. It is strong in the green, and it's curling back up. So, wow, we could probably see this at 70 cents at this rate if it continues. That is really good news. It really is. Just have to see what happens here. Let's look at the weekly. How the weekly looked like here back then with XRP. I mean, look at that. We got three week candles. I meant to say three weekly candles in a row in the green, with a nice trend here happening on the ADX. The RSI crossing over the yellow line, which is bullish and all that. This is nice, really nice to see. Last time here back in March 11th of this year, it hit a high of 78.5 cents. And that is probably going to be the next level of resistance here. So we do have to look at that as the next level. And who knows? Let's see what happens. This definitely did have floored. For real. So, thinking about it right now, 38 cents to 40 cents was definitely the bottom there. Shoot. And still going. Still going. Fun stuff right now. So anyways, XLM2. Oh shoot, but XLM and XRP? Wait a minute. Wow, hold on. Look at this, same thing. Same thing going on with XLM. That's crazy. Alright, Carissa. Yeah, if it hits over $1, I know a lot of people that have been accumulating an XRP, they're going to be floored. They're going to be ecstatic, excited. Heck, you know? So, man, I'm wishing all of you guys the best in XRP and XLM and X-Force in general. Carissa, thank you once again for joining the stream the first time. It's been a pleasure. Always come back. And thank you for also subscribing and showing love to the stream. We'll definitely see you your time as well and mañana. And yeah, for sure, we do need to get ready for Powell. That also reminds me that we also do need to get some good rest. We do need to get some good rest for tomorrow too as well. And be prepared to deal with potential volatility in the markets. In my opinion, I feel like it always happens during these times, the FOMC meeting, and I think it's going to happen. I think, you know, we do have to take into consideration looking at the risks possibly and setting your limits just in case if you decide to play the SPY and act accordingly, you know, and play it safe. But for sure, Travis was saying if I know what follows XRP, let me know. If you're talking about XLM, shoot, for sure. XCC, we'll take a look at XCC too as well. Real quick before we go. No, we can't look at Bitfinex. Not Bitfinex. Hold on. Where is shoot. Which one? Where is okay, KuCoin. Screw it. KuCoin. It's not quite doing this. Wait. Which one has the most volume? Do you guys know? For XDC? Where is Bybit, BigGet, Binance? No, not Binance. Alright, Kevin, yeah. Shoot, you already know, man. You have a great night. Get some rest. Hope you feel good for tomorrow. And wish you good luck for tomorrow too as well. I'm surprised, Kevin. I haven't seen you on Discord in the server. It'd be cool to have you in there and chat it up. But yeah, dude, take it easy, and we'll see you tomorrow for sure. XCC being a hidden gem, says Eric G unit. I'm trying to find. Okay. Wow. Okay. This looks a lot better. Good might to Kevin. Yeah, look at this. This has a nice trend here. I like this. Coinex. I'll add that there. XLM, XRP, XCC. Anubis, you be in the background just chilling, and I didn't even know you were still here. That's funny. I need to know because I'm trying to look for. Let me see, XTC crypto. Which one has more volume though? I think. No, this doesn't make any sense though. Hold on. Crypto. Okay, that makes sense. We'll just put it on this one then. Wait, where is it? All. Boom. I'll put that one away. Put this right in between. Okay, so this looks. Wow, I think XTC is also trying to pick up some steam. How about that? You can see it right here. It's actually up 0.22%, which is not much, but wow. Look at the 24-hour chart for XEC. Looks like 2.5 cents was the bottom there so far for now. Yeah, oh shoot. I think XTC here, 2 cents was the bottom. 2 cents was the bottom. And I feel like, and I feel, and I just can't, and I feel. The MACD looks like it's ready to curl up to, damn, like that. Let me see. Going to get real spicy heading to the second half of the day, says Incognito. Me too. Anubis says he's pretty much a ninja. I'm everywhere. Okay. Pamela says fun sounds good. When you see XTC roll, just in a matter of time, their partnership's growing. Key is going to be use case. Financial advice. Where can I get XTC? Where can I get XTC? I need to find out. And I think I'm gonna have to invest in another type of cold storage wallet, because apparently Alipal, it's not really good. I'm not too sure. I do have Trezor, but Trezor is not. It's limited to what coins I can get in there, so I don't think I can get XTC in there, which sucks. Uphold, I don't have. Well, I don't think it's available in New York. Robert Kennedy, I haven't seen you in a while. What's going on with you, Robert? How's everything with you? Robert Kennedy missing in action for she got like a I feel like it's been like a month. Alipal Whack. yeah, I'm about to just I don't know, I'm about to just probably chuck it somewhere. I don't know. Decent? Nah. Let me. Oh, Robert, you pop in and out, but you don't pop in and say what's up? What happened? Oh, by the way, I took your advice, dude, I took your non-financial advice on Chase. Just letting you know I got Chase. But I still have to open an investment account with Chase, so I gotta take advantage of that when I can and see how that thing works out. But yeah, no, Robert, no worries, man. Just when you pop in, it doesn't matter when you pop in, dude. You already know it's always a pleasure seeing you here, and every moment counts. Listen, you guys can be here. You got things going on. It'll be 5 minutes. And you gotta go, hey, I appreciate it. Doesn't matter to me. I don't, put the pressure on you to stay on here. I like the fact that, you know, that you guys can be able to make it. And again, it matters. It you know, truly matters to me. So thank you, Robert. And how's everything? Tell me about your time away from the stream and what's been going on, how your trade's going. Of course, aside from what's happening with AMC and GME and the SPY. I was trying to look for something. What is it? You said decent? Decent shop? Is that what it is? Oh. Whoa, what is this? The most easy and safe hardware wallet. Not sponsored, by the way. Alright, we're just doing some DD. Doing some research here. That's actually pretty interesting, though. Damn. Discovered decent wallets. You got the biometric wallet, and then you got the card wallet. I'm not too sure about the biometrics. I think maybe I would rather just do the card. I don't know. What do you think, Eric? Do you like the biometrics wallet, or would you rather prefer do the card? Supported coins. Let's see what the supported coins are for this one. Wow. So the all-in-one. Damn. What? Really? Oh, there. Okay. No. There's still a lot more. Okay. Why doesn't so software wallet has XRP Ledger, XRPL? The biometric. Wait, I'm confused. Wait, the all-in-one wallet. Wait, there's a biometric and there's a card wallet. What is the all-in-one? Stellar Lumens, okay. Software wallet. Okay. So pretty much if you get the biometric or the software wallet, there goes. Wait, where's Tezos? You got XTZ, the one that Jason G is talking about. XTZ's there. Phantom. Boba AT. They got Boba in there. That's funny. Okay. Grumpy Cat. That's funny. Yeah, you got some meme coins in there. Carrot Gold. PoonDX. I remember PoonDX. OKB. Dragon coins. Let me see. Took some red today, like everybody, seeing the rotation out of tech. Yeah, big tech earnings, man. That was a real surprise there, especially with Microsoft, the way it dropped. Oh, the way it dropped the market like that in just like in an hour. I like the card feature on Decent. I do the card only from past experience from Elapal. Played serve and still in kit. Oh, okay. So, I mean, which one would you prefer as the best wallet so far, Eric? As I come on here and actually look at... Let's go ahead and look at serve. I think somebody else mentioned serve. Robotics. I forgot who it was. Serve. I think somebody else mentioned serve. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, serve looks like it's actually consolidating right there. I mean, this was all based on the way that the SPY was moving here, but here it looks like it was only a matter of time it would actually try to come back up and recover. So that would be my only opinion on this. And you can see the 50-day simple moving average here trying to rebound as well. So I think it'll definitely have that going on. In terms of like the 4-hour chart, let me see. Damn, what a trend. That is crazy. You could tell, they had a little bit of some profit taking right at $24. This thing like sold off like that 1 4-hour candle, just dropped there. That was during pre-market hours today, actually. Wow. So I think maybe it's just starting to cool down and exhaust itself. Maybe coming down around $13 next. I want to say it's probably around there, around that area. Boom. So food delivery robots, damn, they're taking over. They're gonna take over the McDonald's, Wendy's, and all that. You see robots just flipping burgers and stuff. You see robots just driving in or no, probably got robots with booster packs and just flying around trying to deliver food in the air. You imagine something like that? And then let's see. Oh, I heard mixed reviews, but decent seems to be the majority favor directly from decent though. Yeah, of course. Yeah, they never buy any cold storage wallets from third-party sellers like Amazon, eBay, whatever, because you already know there's a high risk of getting your information taken. They could just put in a new film around the box, and you never know if they actually do have your address. So I don't know if you want to go through with that risk. It's better to just order it from the websites directly. Not financial advice. So wait, so the channel I posted on the chat Discord talked about serve at $4. It was you. Wait, what? Seve? Oh, sir. Wait, you said about. Wait, no, wait. About seven? Seve? What are you talking about? Fishy, what are you talking about? Would you let a robot service your loins? Jesus Christ. I'll shoot you my thoughts on Discord. There's good reasons for the card feature too. Yes, please. After the stream, because I think notifications pop up on the stream too as well. So just in case like you try to send me something. And, yeah, dude. Wait. So let me actually, as a matter of fact. Huh? Hold on. No. Oh man. I can't do it here. Shoot. Wait, what is this? IPO Market Watch, back to the moon? Oh shoot, I wonder what he has next to talk about. I gotta look into that. Okay. Okay, so Carissa joined. Gonna set her up in a few. Serve, you said, so you said, wow, so you said serve at $4. And serve. Wait, are you talking about serve going back down to 4? Or are you talking about serve actually going up to $4? Because that was back in. That was like middle of July. I gotta look at that. Oh my god. Did you get into that, Fishy? Because if you were talking about this when it wasn't even $4, I'm pretty sure you made bank on that. That's crazy. What did I say about a robot? No, Lig in the Crack was talking about if I would let a robot service my loins. That's what he literally said. That's crazy. But if it turns into a PND, that's also another possibility, because it looks like they have been taking profit from $24 and it's actually coming down. It's trading right underneath the 50-day simple moving average on the hourly chart. So I think that perhaps it might have some more movement to the downside. I want to say $12 will probably be the next level of support, because you can see it here. It had multiple times where it actually ended up here too, and could just come back here and do it again right around this. Let's see, pop, 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 and see if it actually consolidates and then kind of goes back up. You know what I'm saying, Midge? You know what I'm talking about? Shoot. Pics posted on Lions. Got it. Thank you. He posted. Shoot. Crazy. Amazon? Nah, hell no. 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 No way. Time for my session, as a matter of fact. Wait, your session for what? Oh dear. Alright, so yeah, look, my take on that, Robert, if Robert's still here. Bearish case scenario, I would say looking around the $11 to $12 range, based on where this was before, right around July 26th and around July 22nd. So it could be that it will actually start to come down here and test it again. And if not, if it comes down a lot more than that, it could try to retest here the 200-day moving average, simple moving average at around $8.28, $8, $7.30, $8 around that range too. So, albeit don't do no freaking P&D style thingy, you know. Jesus, Eric, you're gonna get carpal tunnel syndrome and maybe arthritis early if you keep at it. That thing hurts. I can tell you from experience, you know. So let me check what's going on here. So we're actually coming up to the third hour of the stream. My side hurts, and that's based on age because I'm getting older. And to quickly wrap it up here, because I know everybody needs to like kind of reset, think about what could happen tomorrow, and try to prepare ourselves for prepare ourselves for, FOMC. Let's see what's happening quickly with the SPY futures. Up here 0.32%, so it's actually coming back. It's recovering. So we see that the SPY is crossing over the 200 simple moving average. All right, it's actually, wow, it's actually popping back up. What is this? Tech earnings drag S&P and Nasdaq lower as Dow inches up amid market caution. What is this? It's crazy. So here, trying to test that resistance here at 5490. So we'll put this here. Get ourselves a little alert here, right there, and an alert right here. If bearish case scenario 5481, put it right there. Thank you, Travis. You are the man. XRP over 4%, 65.5 cents right now, pushing. XLM at the same time as well, 10.5 cents. Something's happening. Something is going on. Wow. Let's look at the hourly real quick. Okay. Don't know what that circle is. Not too sure. For some reason, I don't know why, but on the hourly, this looks like a freaking double bottom. Don't know why that is the case. Maybe it could recover 55.33. Not too sure. We'll see what happens during pre-market. Yeah, you know what? That's crazy. I'm just waiting on something. I'm trying to figure out some things. I really would like to stream in the daytime rather than and spend time with you guys at that time. Yeah, man. I just, you have no idea. I just wanted to I would not even want to work. Just being bored at a Korean bank, just looking outside of the window and just be like, all right, is that better? Can you guys hear me? Testing. All right, so I don't know how much of that you heard, but just pretty much, with my situation right now, I would love to do this daytime. Probably could get to 500 subs already right away if I did that. Just taking care of certain things. I would love to do that. Am I Korean or Puerto Rican? Oh my god. No, I'm Latino. I'm Dominican and Puerto Rican. But I actually do speak a little bit of Korean. Just basic. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 수고하세요. 수고하세요. 네, 잡아요. 네, 잡아요. 네, 잡아요. 잡아요. 그냥 먹어요. 그냥 먹어요. 그냥 먹어요. 아이고, 진짜 잘해요. 아이고, 진짜 잘해요. 안녕하세요. 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 집에 가세요. 집에 가세요. 집에 가세요. 집에 가세요. 가지마. 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 거짓말. 거짓말. I'm an animal. Oh my god, what happened? Hey, what's going on here? I got a crossing. What is this? I heard a little beep. Okay, it's the spy. The spy is trying to climb back up again. What is my mic? All right, so I think I'm gonna have to get a new mic in the future because this is ridiculous. I am not even moving it that much. I think it's the USB port, and it's just like completely cutting off my mic, and it sucks. My goodness. But anyways, I really do wish that we can all get vacation. I need one. I do think that shoot, just by looking at the hourly here, jeez. I think this should be pushing back up, honestly. So if that's the case, one more like for oh shoot. Yeah, SPY is actually spiking back up. 543.95 right now currently. Futures rippling. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. I have the screen looking the other way, but yeah, right as of right now, if you look at the SPY futures, it's trying to pump back up. So we might see the SPX back at like 5,500 at this rate. Only if it doesn't. Carissa's like, dang, so committed. Love it. All right, back. So this is what I'm looking at right now. So slowly, kinda, sorta, wanted to just give us perhaps maybe a golden cross on the hourly. On the 5-minute chart, and probably push the SPX back at 5,500. That could be the possibility. Like, that's crazy because after earnings and all that, and now they're just buying the dip and they're just trying to push this back up. So, or I guess if they want to do that, by all means. And seeing the S&P, the SPY here back at 544. So that means that 545. If the SPX is at 5,500, then I think the SPY would have to be around 546 or 547, something like that. Let me see. This is no 545. Then the high was at 546.78, so it has to break 546.78 tomorrow. Gotcha. Okay. All right. I just wanted to look at that real quick, and I think now I gotta get ready. Again. Let me see. Did you send me? Oh, Carissa. You're actually in the Discord, right? In the Discord now, so you're able to access the main chat, charting, trading floor chat, and all that. So welcome into the Discord, Carissa, and everybody else in there. Hello. Eric, when you have the chance, message me on DM. I'm about to just end the stream right now. Oh, wait a minute. Look at that. And we just ended it off with Eric's favorite song as well. So again, let's all get ready for, well, most importantly, let's get ready for sleep. Hopefully everybody gets a good rest. But also, let's get ready for tomorrow because it's going to be freaking crazy. Oh my God, I can't wait. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, it's been on the range from between 542 to 546. Oh, you guys are crazy. My knees. Oh my God. I have to, of course, do my usual. First and foremost, would like to thank Zelly for, all the work that she does on the stream. And, I appreciate you. And thank you for always showing support since day one. Love you. And big hugs. And you're the best. And shout out to everybody else here. My peeps. Mark R, Eric, Kevin, Fishy, aka Adrian, Pamela la, Tan for short, who came earlier in the stream for the first time and been wanting to come into the stream for like maybe more than a month, maybe 2 months, but she had finally made it. Shout out to her. Incognito. It's time to kill these short pests and see what happens tomorrow. It's good to see you. Big JR, shout out to him. Johnny Dinner Time Rodriguez, Travis, Jason G, Kai, Chris, Benjamin, Clark and Julie. Hope Clark feels better. Licking the crack. Hoping you're licking a lot of crack back there. Hope you have a good night. Carissa, once again, thank you for joining for the first time. Pleasure. And we'll all be chatting together soon. Robert Kennedy, just again, even if it was for 5 minutes, Appreciate you joining. Anubis Gaming. Thank you. We'll be chatting too as well in the chat tomorrow and see what we can do with Spy. Maybe we'll do something crazy and be degenerates and get into some zero DTEs. Maybe, I don't know. Have I missed anybody else? Did I miss anybody else? Let me know. Let me know. Of course. Let's see. Yeah, great to meet you too as well, Chris. I will pass by. I will pass by on DZ. And speaking of DZ, also yeah, shout out to him. Somebody came in. I was confused, but I actually saw. I came onto the stream for like a few seconds, and I saw somebody with the name Lion of Cheese. Did anybody seen that today? All in caps, just like my name. And it was just funny because literally, and he had a picture of Donald Trump when he got shot at, and all the Secret Service holding him and protecting him, and he had a badge too, a DZ badge with the green letters that says "Line of Cheese." Didn't know what was. I didn't know what that was all about though. So I don't know if you guys saw that. So let me know what that was all about. And I don't know. I mean, Lion of Cheese. Maybe he's a really big cheese fan. Likes to cheddar. He likes to blue cheese. Likes to the rotten cheese. There's some moldy cheese. You know, mozzarella. I don't know. But hey, you know what? I take that as a compliment. So, by all means, if I see him again, I'm gonna be like, "Hey, it's a lion here too." And I'm gonna check him out, and I'm gonna talk to him. I want to find out who he is. Anyways, guys, again, been a good night. Aged cheddar cheese. Yeah, you should try some Dominican cheese. Really interesting stuff. I know when the real lion is there, you have that sandalwood scent and moco scent. You can't fool me, hermano. Yeah, my moco's scent is damn, how can I describe that? It's kind of like a musky smell. I don't know. It's pretty smoky, but it smells good. Let's see. Check that fool. Yeah, we're gonna if we're all there tomorrow on the stream and we see Lion of Cheese, we're all gonna check him together. We're gonna find out who he is. And yeah. Oh yeah, by all means. Uh now you can be able to hit me up, Eric, if you want. About to cut the stream off. And yeah, guys, thank you again. Much love to y'all. Again, giant hugs. And I'll see you in the next stream. With yours truly, Lion of all trades. Rockets in the chat, rockets in the chat, rockets in the chat, rockets in the chat, rockets. Slow mode chat, slow modes, slow modes, slow mode. Rockets, 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 rockets. Rockets, slow mo, slow mo, slow mo. Hearts, 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 hearts. Flaming bananas, flaming bananas. Flaming rocket bananas, flaming rocket bananas, flaming rocket bananas. Big hearts, big hearts, big hearts, big hearts. Suavemente, bésame. Close out with the bubbles. Let's close out with the bubbles theme right now. Hold on. Let's do it. Hold on. Hold on right now. Hold on. I got you right now. Hold on. Dun. Kai with the flame on. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Look. Coming with the bubbles. Playing with in my tub. Playing with my bubbles. I'm playing in my tub. I can only be one kind of bubbles. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. West Coast, East Coast, all over the coast. Oh no. I got a lot of ha ba boo boo. Is it? I like them. Just the way you got it. The way. What the hell is this? Just randomly just popped on my screen. Hey. I got bubbles. They're floating in air. I got these bubbles. They're smelling like somebody farted in my tub now. I don't know where all these bubbles coming from. Couldn't be me. Maybe it's the dog that is swimming in my tub that do those farts. Bubbles. You got little bubbles. They go. Cause they go. And I'm gonna do it again. Hey. Ay. It smells. This dog is really blowing it up in my tub. Blowing fart bubbles up in my face going. Oh my God, did you eat some beans? Maybe you really ate that chocolate from the wrapper. Now I gotta take you to the emergency. Cause your booty smell like chocolate. Dirty chocolate. Right, cousin. Spy with the lion cheese cross on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute. It looks like it's about to hold up right around that. Yeah. Do. Give me that signal. I like it. Like the way that you. Oh my God. Why am I not out yet? I feel like I still want to go. Oh, Jesus. Let's put another tune before I go. Let's see. We got some bubbles and ice cubes. Like it bubbly with some ice cubes. Must be that good champagne. Ay. Ay. What? What is going on? Huh? What? What are you doing? That is so random. What the fuck?